Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a lobster hook at home. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a sturdy wooden dowel, ideally about 1 inch in diameter and 18 inches long, for the handle. For the hook itself, select a strong, corrosion-resistant stainless steel wire, roughly 1/8 inch thick. Having the right tools, like pliers and a drill, will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's shape the hook. Take one end of your stainless steel wire and, using a good pair of pliers, carefully bend it into a tight U-shape. Focus on creating a smooth, consistent curve. This precision is key for effectively hooking lobsters. The U-bend itself should be approximately 2 inches long and about 1 inch wide, providing the ideal size for your homemade tool. Next, we'll attach the wire to the handle. Drill a hole into one end of your wooden dowel, ensuring it's slightly smaller than your wire's diameter for a snug fit. Insert the straight end of the shaped wire into this hole, pushing it in about 2 inches for maximum stability. Then, apply a strong, waterproof epoxy adhesive to secure the wire firmly in place, allowing it to cure completely. Finally, let's add some finishing touches and discuss usage. Smooth any rough edges on both the wire and the dowel to prevent injury. Consider applying a marine-grade sealant to the wooden handle for enhanced durability and water resistance. When using your new hook, remember to practice gentle techniques to avoid harming the lobsters. This homemade tool will be a valuable addition to your fishing gear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.